My name's Sarah, and I'm the receptionist and adoption coordinator at the St. Joseph Bay Humane Society. This organization was born in 1998, and then we established ourselves as a no-kill shelter in 2019. We're nationally partnered with the Best Friends Animal Society and with the Pets for Patriots program. And then locally, we're partnered with Spay Bay out of Panama City and the Gulf County Animal Control. In addition to taking in and adopting out dogs and cats, we offer free pet food through our pet pantry and also help local pet owners by scheduling monthly transports to Spay Bay. This facility, built in 2007, houses 50 dogs and 20 cats, and we are able to place over 500 animals per year. Our staff is very friendly and passionate about the work we do here. We have an amazing network of volunteers, and our board does a fantastic job of overseeing everything that goes on.
Hi, I'm Diana Burkett of the St. Joseph Bay Humane Society. On behalf of the board and the staff at the shelter, we appreciate everything that people do for us in the community. Your volunteers, the fosters, the donations especially, that's what we need to keep our shelter going and running. Thank you very much.
When you come to visit, you'll get to see our community cat room, where cat lovers and potential adopters can come and spend as much time as they want getting to know our friendly felines. And then you'll see outside we have a meet and greet yard where dog lovers can come spend as much time safely getting to know the dogs we have available. To the pets who come through our doors, we offer medical care, high quality nutrition, basic grooming, regular exercise, and most of all, the chance to land a loving home. One common misconception is that shelter pets are somehow less than. But here at the St. Joseph Bay Humane Society, we want to completely revamp the way people think about the dogs and cats who end up here. They aren't broken, they've simply lived more. They're the ones with stories to write and tales to tell, but they also have a lot of love to give. So don't pity a shelter pet, adopt one. If you come here, you'll see many healthy, happy dogs and cats of all shapes, sizes, breeds, and colors, and they are ready for your home.
This is Stetson. He's named after the Georgia football player. He's been a great addition to our family, and he's helped our dogs be more happy. Life with Stetson's a lot better than it was before.
If you've seen the work that we're doing and you want to help, now is the time. We need your support to continue providing this level of care to the animals, plus to improve our facility. It's really easy to go online to our website and donate, plus you can receive a valuable tax deduction in return.